Today, we're taking you straight into the heart of Spotify Camp Nou, where every corner is transforming and work is moving at full speed. From glass panels being installed in the diamond area, compression ring pillars being prepared, concrete pours in the lateral zones, to new sandwich panels arriving at the Tribuna Gol Norte corner, today's progress is unfolding at every level. We'll see how each section is coming together, with elevator cores, steel frameworks, and finishing touches moving rapidly across the stadium. This is your front row view of the stadium's incredible transformation, where every detail and every action unfolds right before your eyes. In the Tribuna zone, a new trailer has delivered prefabricated seating sections. One module is already staged, ready to be lifted. Elevator core structures are busy, beams are being installed, and finishing works continue around the façade panels. The protective plastics are mostly removed, insulation is visible, and this section looks more advanced every day. At the Tribuna Diamond, side glass panels are fully installed. Only the upper glass above the doors remains. At the Store Diamond, the corner glass is done as well, with groundwork continuing in front. Excavators are leveling soil and preparing access, while materials remain staged for the next phase. In Gol Sud, a tall structural pillar is being positioned, and crane activity is constant. A yellow material container is being lifted to upper levels. Although slat support unions are not yet installed, crews are actively preparing anchor points and internal framework for the next stage. Sandwich panels have reached the first cantilever level, with only a small section pending. The steel skeleton around the elevator cores continues rising. Workers on lifting platforms are reviewing brackets and anchor points, preparing for the upcoming slat installation. Strong movement along the lateral section. Workers are active near the parking ramp, while a lifting platform with 4 crew members operates inside the structure. Sandwich panels are still pending. Teams appear to be measuring for the next installation phase. On the right side, a concrete pump and mixer are set up to pour at the upper level, continuing slab works. Another yellow material container is lifted, showing steady logistic support. Crews are installing new metal unions on a pillar using a lifting platform. Connectors are being fixed into place as preparation for future structural elements. Up above, scaffolding remains secured between radial beams, and materials have been reorganized into a storage zone. A compression ring pillar is being prepared with yellow support pieces, likely ready for lifting soon. In the corner, another compression ring pillar is being equipped with yellow reinforcement. Additional steel structures are staged nearby, ready for installation. Work continues on scaffolding behind the main beam, while minor surface adjustments are visible. The area remains highly active as crews finalize readiness. In Gol Norte sector of Spotify Camp Nou, major progress is visible. 4 glass panels have been installed, and another is lifted using the vacuum system. Large trucks continue delivering materials to this area, including insulation and structural components. Logistics activity has noticeably increased in recent days. Near Tribuna Gol Norte corner, new materials have arrived, possibly first sandwich panels for this zone. Trucks are unloading fresh structural elements, showing façade installation could accelerate soon. Once works resume, this area should move quickly into next phase. Progress continues step by step, and transformation of Spotify Camp Nou becomes more visible each week. Thanks for joining us on today's full Spotify Camp Nou update. If you enjoyed this inside look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our future stadium updates.